Japanese leaders wrap up the 69-day-long extraordinary parliamentary session today. Among the issues discussed was the controversy over the Unification Church. Japan is set to enact a bill banning organizations from maliciously soliciting donations. Scrutiny of the religious group intensified after former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe was killed due to his alleged links to the church. The law, which covers all corporations, will prohibit organizations from asking donors to borrow money by selling assets such as real estate. Unfair solicitation practices, such as through, I quote, stoking fear and confusing donors, will also be barred. If found guilty, those involved could face a prison sentence of up to 1 year or a fine of more than $7,000. Spouses and children would also be allowed to cancel donations. But lawyers have criticized the legislation, saying that it's unlikely to help those who are willing to offer large donations to the church. Family members have also raised concerns of facing high hurdles to file lawsuits against religious organizations.